The Storm Prediction Center has a slight risk up for severe storms today across 9 states, including Kentucky, Maryland, and Michigan. This is your Atmostorm Extended Briefing. A closer look at yesterday's storms, today's severe weather threats, and what's shaping up for tomorrow. 2 tornadoes reported. 25 hail reports with stones up to 3.0 inches. 247 wind reports with gusts up to 96 miles per hour, and 11 reports of flooding. The hardest hit areas were across 19 states, including Alabama, Arizona, and Florida. Now, turning to today's outlook. Scattered severe storms are possible today. Expect a few storms capable of damaging wind, hail, and perhaps an isolated tornado. The top threat level from the Storm Prediction Center is slight risk. For damaging winds, 15% across 30 states, including Alabama, Arkansas, and Colorado. Scattered damaging wind gusts. For hail, 5% across 23 states, including Arkansas, Colorado, and Idaho. Isolated large hail possible. For tornadoes, 2% across 5 states, including Colorado, Illinois, and Iowa. An isolated tornado or two possible. Dangerous heat grips much of the country today, with extreme heat warnings across 14 areas, including Arizona, Arkansas, and California. Limit time outdoors, stay hydrated, and check on elderly neighbors and anyone without air conditioning. And looking ahead to tomorrow, the Storm Prediction Center already has a marginal risk across 14 states, including Connecticut, Maine, and Massachusetts. We'll have the full picture in tomorrow's briefing. That's your extended briefing. Stay weather aware today. Get live radar and alerts anytime at atmostorm.com. And we'll see you tomorrow morning. If these briefings help you stay ahead of the weather, subscribe and follow along.